Hello and welcome to this Item UI tutorial. Today I will teach you how to establish a link with the warehouse system using Item DI. After the user successfully logs in, proceed to the next step. Select a merchant to start business operations. The app connector configures which type of warehouse your order will be distributed to. The system supports 3 types of warehouse linking methods: No Warehouse System, Item WMS, Unis. The system defaults to No Warehouse System. No Warehouse System means that your orders will not enter any warehouse. Item WMS means that your order will enter the item's warehouse. Before configuring the Item WMS mode, you need to configure the relevant warehouse information in the Item WMS system. After configuration, select the customer of Item WMS here. The system will display all your warehouse lists in the warehouse. Set default warehouse for Item WMS1. On the warehouse page, you can set a default warehouse for Item WMS. Unis means that your order will enter the Unis warehouse. Before configuring the Unis mode, you need to configure the relevant warehouse information in the Unis system. Obtain the authorization code. Fill in the authorization code in the input box. Click the Apply button. If the authorization verification is successful, the system will display the customer. Click the Save button. You can view the warehouse list in Unis mode on the warehouse interface. On the warehouse page, you can set a default warehouse for Unis. This concludes the instructional script for configuring warehouse linking methods. Follow these steps to ensure proper setup and management of your warehouse operations. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our expansive library of tutorial content.